Got an idea for a product? The first step to turning it into reality is 3D CAD design, where your concept takes shape digitally before it ever hits a workbench. After securing your intellectual property, the design stage is where your idea truly starts to live. Through 3D CAD modeling, you get precise digital representations that guide every decision in development and manufacturing. 3D CAD design transforms concepts into highly detailed digital models. It allows us to ensure technical design feasibility, optimize aesthetic and functional design, and plan for efficient production. At TyTek, our experts refine every detail during the CAD design process. We specialize in magnetic assemblies, precise alignment and functionality, load cells, reliable sensor integration, sewn products, modeling seams, ergonomics, and assembly efficiency. From digital design to manufacturing-ready models, we ensure your product is optimized, accurate, and production-ready. By designing in 3D first, we speed up development, reduce costly errors, and optimize every aspect of production. Your concept is refined digitally before a single part is made, saving time, materials, and cost. TyTek Industries, guiding your idea through 3D design and digital prototyping to ensure it's ready for production and success. Designed, developed, delivered.